Hello everyone and welcome to E Prime. I'm Amoy, filling in for Dadrian. Super Bowl or Usher Bowl? Usher celebrates double with Super Bowl performance. The Grammy-winning artist on Sunday became the highest RIAA certified male soloist of the century with his 2004 album Confessions. Now this win for Usher comes on the heels of his highly anticipated Super Bowl halftime performance last evening. Now millions of people across the world tuned in for the performance, which has been described as a frenetic, daring nostalgia tour. The show, which Usher says was 30 years in the making, saw star-studded appearance from Alicia Keys, Her, Lil Jon, Ludacris, will.i.am, and Jermaine Dupri.
When I thought I said all I could say, my shit on the side, said she got one on the way. These are my confessions, man, I'm through. I don't know what to do, but I decided to give part two of my confessions.
We are ready, says Vybz Kartel's lawyer Isa Buchanan ahead of the entertainer's Privy Council appeal. According to the Jamaica Star, attorney-at-law Isa Buchanan has joined all the members of the legal team in England representing the incarcerated DJ, as well as the other three appellants in their appeal to the United Kingdom Privy Council. Quizzed on how the preparation process was going for the legal team as well as the appellants, Buchanan told the Star, quote, "We are ready." He explained that Vybz Kartel and the other three appellants, Sean Storm Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John, will not be required to speak during the appeal as everything is up to the legal team. Now, having been granted an expedited hearing on humanitarian grounds in the appeal against their murder conviction, for which they have been given life sentences, the case is set for February 14 and 15. Now, last May, Buchanan told Fox 5 New York that Vybz Kartel, whose given name is Adidja Palmer, was suffering from Graves' disease, an autoimmune disorder which he has been reportedly battling for 7 years. Now, attorney for Sean Storm, Bert Samuels, told the Gleaner at the time that Kartel's health played a significant role in the hearing being expedited. It was originally set for April of this year. In 2014, Vybz Kartel was sentenced to life imprisonment for the murder of his associate Clive Lizard Williams. He will be eligible for parole once he has served a minimum of 35 years in prison. Dancehall Week debuts tomorrow. History will be created as Dancehall Week kicks off tomorrow. For the first time, an entire week will be dedicated to the genre for Reggae Month with a flood of events for its debut. Now, Dancehall Week's executive director Dave Golson spoke to the significance of the week for the culture.
When we came up with the idea, we approached the ministry. Reggae Month has existed since 2008, and we realized that dancehall isn't getting much focus. So we approached the Honorable Minister Grange and asked her if she could give us a week to highlight dancehall. Yeah, we have received endorsement from Minister Grange. We've received endorsement from the Tourism Ministry.
Brilliant.
And the JCDC.
That's it for E Prime. I'm Amoy. See you next time.